Hey guys, it's Tony's phone collection. It's Anthony. We got another Motorola device to unbox. It is a Motorola QA4. Once again, it's for Revol wireless as well. Evoke. Use guide English and Spanish. Got the rear back door. I did also take the battery out and charge it as well. It's BT60. Like a standard Motorola USB charger. Right there. And we got the device. So the battery. This is a slider phone. The I guess home button in a way is also the power key. Last side we got a volume key. On the bottom we have the USB charging port. On the right side we have a lock and unlock key, a camera key on the top, just a lanyard strap in the corner. Here we got a camera. It's on the front. I think it's power key, maybe a lock key. Slide it open. Numeric pad. This is a touchscreen, I think. Yeah, touchscreen. Very slow, laggy, you know. Old phone stuff. That's how I think Revol gets service out here. Alright guys, that was the unboxing of the QA4. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for our next one. Thank you guys.